you? It's time.
Time for what?
Time to know what happens when you reach the age of adolescence.
Age of what?
Is your stomach paining and you feel weird?
Yes.
Then keep quiet and listen to me.
What is this? Who are you?
I am a monster.
What?
A monster, and I'm gonna tell you some interesting facts about you.
Okay.
Hello, you paused for some time there.
Yeah, we also have to tell the boys part of the story, right?
So, puberty is the age when you and others of your age start turning into an adult. During this time, your body must experience some changes.
Whoa, and the same happens with the girls as well?
Yes, you will also see changes in yourself, like you will grow a beard and a mustache. Your shoulders will become broader. Your weight will increase. You'll grow hair in your armpits, chests, pubic regions. Your voice will become deeper.
Your voice will become shrill, breasts will enlarge, hips will be broader. You will grow hair in your armpits and pubic region. But most importantly, you will start your menstrual cycle.
What is menstrual cycle?
It is a proof that you are becoming a woman. When the released egg from your ovary does not get fertilized, it is flushed out of your vagina along with blood and other cellular materials. This occurs regularly every 28 days and typically lasts for about 5 days. So yeah, the pain in your stomach is normal.
Whoa, that's a lot to take in.
There's more though. You should probably watch some educational video about it.
That was one good story, right? Hello and welcome back to Notebook. We will learn a new chapter today, which is reaching the age of adolescence. This chapter talks about how a baby grows into an adult. So, are you ready to take about the changes that take place in a human body since birth or how they gradually attain puberty? Let's get started. We all know that human beings showcase growth. But what is growth? Growth is a natural and a gradual process. It is a bodily process that begins from the very time a baby is born. After a baby is born, it goes through a stage of growth till it reaches 2 years of age. This primary growth period is known as infancy. During this period, a baby learns to sit, stand, walk, eat solid food, express feelings, etc. Next comes childhood. It represents the phase from 2 to 12 years of age. Here a child grows in size and weight at a regular phase. He grows intellectually, socially, as well as emotionally. On crossing 11 years of age, certain changes become noticeable. There is a sudden increase in height, and this period of transition is known as adolescence. It lasts up to 18 to 19 years of age. This is when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, adolescence is a period of life between 11 to 19 years of age. It covers the teen period, 13 to 19 years of age. Thus, adolescents are also called teenagers. Remember that period of adolescence can vary from one person to the other. Also, it arrives a year or two earlier in girls than in boys. Rapid growth and some of the conspicuous changes mark the beginning of puberty. Let us find out what those changes are. Change in height is the most prominent change during this period. This happens due to the elongation of bones. This surge in growth lasts for around 2 to 3 years. By the age of 17 to 18, both boys and girls reach their maximum heights. Change in body shape also takes place apart from the change in height. In girls, the pelvic region widens, hips broaden, and breasts develop. In boys, shoulders become broad, their chest becomes wider, and muscles of the body grow more prominently. Voice undergoes a considerable change. Girls develop a high-pitched voice, whereas boys develop a deeper voice. This is due to the growth in size of the voice box or the larynx. The voice box protrudes out of the throat as the Adam's apple. The sweat glands as well as the sebaceous glands become more active during this period. This results in increased sweating and body odor. Excessive soil and sweat gets collected in pores of the skin and causes pimples and acne. In boys, the testis and penis develop completely and produces sperms. In girls, ovaries enlarge and starts producing ovum or egg. Adolescents arrive at a stage of mental maturity. They develop a rational approach towards things. Brain has the highest capacity of learning at this age. Other than this, there are a lot of emotional changes that take place during puberty. Next, we know that all humans are born with sex organs from birth. For example, testes in males and ovaries in females. Those are known as the primary sex organs. Then, what are the secondary sex organs or secondary sexual characters? Let us find out. Secondary sexual characteristics are distinct features of the two sexes, which gradually develops during puberty. In boys, facial hair like beards and mustaches grow. Muscles develop, shoulders become broad, weight increases, voice becomes deeper, hairs develop in armpits, chests, and pubic regions. In girls, breasts develop and enlarge, hips become broader, pelvic region widens, menstrual cycle starts, voice becomes high-pitched, hairs develop in armpits and pubic regions. And here, we reach to the end of the part 1 of this very pertinent chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. In the next part, we will know more about hormones and the roles that they play in our body. Till then, take care of yourself, happy learning and goodbye.